महोदय, बहुत गंभीर मामला है और मैं आपके मार्फत
फौजिया खान,
1 साल से ज्यादा जो पंचायत में काम हुआ था पत्रकार,
आपका समय समाप्त हो गया है। डॉक्टर फौजिया खान, समय समाप्त हो चुका है। अब आप उनके समय ले रहे हैं। डॉक्टर फौजिया खान, you can start. You can start.
So please.
You can start.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I want to speak about rural women, not as a statistic, but as the backbone of this country's agriculture, this country's economy, and if this government is to be believed, this country's empowerment story, sir. The government's favorite word in this budget session is Lakpati Didi. 3 crore women, it is said, have crossed 1 lakh annual income threshold. It is announced in rallies, it is in every budget speech, the Prime Minister speaks of it with pride. So I'll ask one simple question, sir. What is the dedicated budget for Lakpati Didi in 26-27? 0? Not a rupee? Every activity, training, seed funding, capacity building is absorbed quietly into day NRLM. There's no standalone scheme, there's no dedicated line item. Lakpati Didi is not a program, sir, it's a slogan. Moreover, what does 1 lakh even mean? It means 8,333 per month for an entire household. The government is celebrating women who earn less than minimum wage as its empowerment success story, sir. The minister himself has said the next 3 crores will be difficult. Obviously, it will be difficult because the first 3 crores were women already near the threshold, the ones already close to making it. The women who are still at the periphery, the women who are marginalized, they are still waiting, sir. But, sir, even this hollowness is not the worst of it. While the government builds Lakpati Didi posters, it has quietly dismantled the one program that actually gave rural women a floor to stand on. Manarega is gone. Sir, in its place is the V.B. Ramji Act. लिफाफे पे राम का नाम, sir, भीतर मृत्यु का फरमान. Women did more than half the work under Manarega. For women who earn 20 to 30% less than men, with 75% of them having no independent income, Manarega was no work. It was not just work. It was dignity. It was bargaining power. Sir, it was the difference between dependence and choice. The new act promises 125 days of work. Over the last decade, it's not more than 48 days, sir. Not 100, not 125, 48. And that was when the work right was a guarantee, sir. Experts estimate that delivering 124 days would need 2.3 lakh crores. Today, the allocation, sir, I'm winding up, is 95,695 crores. And the legal right has vanished. Uska Ram Naam Satya ho gaya, sir. Sir, you cannot hand a woman a certificate with one hand while snatch away her right to work with the other. The government has chosen a poster over a right, sir. Rural women deserve better than that. They deserve a legal guarantee, not a budget-capped promise. They deserve a real program, not a renamed scheme. They don't deserve a government that does not celebrate their empowerment in speeches while quietly legislating it away, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. The next speaker is Sri Surender Singh Nagar. You have 5 minutes.